In today's video, we're going to fix the Trello error that says unauthorized permission requested, and I'll walk you through exactly why this happens and how to solve it in just a few simple steps. If you're trying to open a Trello board and you're seeing this message, don't worry. This is usually a permissions issue, and it's very easy to fix once you know what's causing it. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss an important detail. And if this video helps you out, be sure to like and subscribe for more quick and easy software fixes just like this. Let's get started. So first, let's understand why this error appears. The unauthorized permission requested message in Trello typically shows up when the board you're trying to access is set to either private or workspace visible, and your account has not been added as a member of that board. In other words, Trello is blocking access because it doesn't recognize you as someone who has permission to view or edit that board. There are two common scenarios here. Number one, the board is set to private, which means only invited members can open it. Or number two, the board is workspace visible, meaning it's visible inside the workspace, but you still need to be explicitly added as a board member to interact with it. If you're not added, Trello will stop you with that unauthorized message. Now let's fix it step by step. Step 1. Contact the board admin. This is important because only a board admin can grant you access. If you're not sure who the admin is, check the workspace owner or the person who originally invited you to the project. Step 2. Ask the admin to open the Trello board where you're experiencing the issue. Once they're inside the board, they need to click on the Share button. You'll find this at the top of the board interface, usually near the board title area. Step 3. After clicking Share, a panel will open where they can invite members. Here, they need to enter your email address or your Trello username. It's very important that they enter the exact email connected to your Trello account. If they enter a different email, you still won't get access. Step 4. Once your email or username appears in the invite field, they should select your profile and add you to the board. But there's one more critical step. They must make sure to assign you at least normal member access. If they accidentally restrict permissions or don't fully add you as a member, the issue may continue. After they add you properly, Trello will send you an invitation notification. Accept the invitation if prompted, then refresh the board page. In most cases, the unauthorized permission error will immediately disappear, and you'll have full access based on the role assigned to you. If you're still seeing the error after being added, try logging out of Trello and logging back in, or clearing your browser cache. Sometimes your session simply needs to refresh to recognize the updated permissions. And that's it. The error happens because the board is private or workspace visible, and you weren't added as a member. And the fix is simply having the admin open the board, click Share, add your email or username, and assign you at least normal member access. If this video helps you fix the Trello unauthorized permission requested error, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.